Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to be doing my first ever Jimmy Choo unboxing, and I'm going to be unboxing the Anouk pumps. The Anouk pumps are 120mm classic pointy toe heels. So I'm super excited to get these out and show you what they look like. I actually went to the Jimmy Choo store and they only had, I think, one or two of these left, and one of these happened to be in my size, so I was very, very happy, and I'm excited to tear into this. They only gave me one dust bag, so that kind of sucks, but I will say it is a pretty darn big dust bag. So I guess that's good. I should have asked for two, but I was so excited. My mind was on other things, like having another 120mm pair of shoes. Whoop, get back there. This is how they look, or I should say the right foot looks. Definitely a very, very tall heel. So I'm very excited to be able to wear these out and about. I got the black patent. And let's check out what the other one looks like. And this wrapper is so cool because it has Jimmy Choo written all over the wrapping. I'm sure you guys can't see it, but I just think that's kind of neat that it has that. And here's the other one. My overall first impressions of these after trying them on in store was that these are actually a lot more comfortable than the Socates that I currently have, and they fit a lot better and no heel slippage, which is awesome. Of course, I'll give you guys a review once I get a chance to wear them out and about and whatnot, but overall I'm super, super excited, and let's get into the try on. So thanks for watching. Bye!